Hi, I am Ace, Hochiki engineer. I am going to explain about troubleshooting input module wiring trouble. Here, I have latitude panel with me. So, let's start. Panel screen is now showing trouble notification. Let's take a look closer. You can see we have one trouble notification here, and general trouble indicator lamp is active. Now press Trouble tab. Trouble loop 2 address 1.1 has a wiring trouble. Press More details. This trouble arises from input 1 terminal on DIMM, dual input monitor module. Input module provide contact monitoring circuits for any equipment that generate dry contact signal. This diagram show a typical connection of DIMM with equipment to be monitored under input terminal. The circuit was being monitored for any wiring fault via the end-of-line resistor installed at last point of circuit. Please note the end-of-line resistor supplied together with the module. If the end-of-line resistor being discarded from circuits and/or wire broken, then module will detect the loss of resistor value. Thus, wiring trouble would be generated on system. Installer will need to ensure end-of-line resistor connection on last point of equipment, and connect it properly. If wire is found broken, then wiring trouble will be clear by itself. Hope this video helped, and you can drop us your questions to get guides from your nearest contact in our Hochiki group of companies. Thank you and see you on next video.